So we have a, well, not fully functional eye, but we have an eye here. And we're going to have a couple parts on the outside that we can see, so the external portions that we want y'all to know. So the first ones we want you to know are the cornea, which is this kind of lens-like looking thing right here that allows light to pass through it. And then we have our sclera, which is the white of the eye. It's kind of faded in this one, number one, because it's been dead a while. Number two, this black material we got on it. But the sclera is the white of the eye that everyone can see if you look in the mirror. Okay. The cornea is this outside membrane. Kind of neat fact, the cornea is the most transplanted organ in the whole body, so that's kind of neat. So whenever you hear about corneal implants or something, they're the most common. So we're going to flip it over, we're going to go on the inside of the eye now and look at those materials. So starting right here, we have these kind of black muscles that everyone can see. Okay, this whole thing of black. What that is, that's the inside of the iris. So that's our colored portion of our eye, the green or blue or brown, whatever color eyes you have. That's the inside of that. So those are muscles that are going to control the opening of the pupil, which is the opening right here, which allows light to pass through and go to the lens. So the pupil is just an opening, and the iris is what controls that. So obviously in highlight situations, so if you go outside on a bright day, the pupil's going to get constricted and go smaller, right? And then on days when there is no light, or if you're at nighttime or in a dark room, the pupil gets dilated, so you can pretty much bring in as much light as possible. Next we have our lens. Our lens is this circular, kind of grayish object right here, and it sits in the vitreous